Alright, fit people, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today we are going to work the quads and the calves. Alright, the way we are going to do this workout, we'll use a heat timer of 40 seconds of activity and then we rest 20 seconds. The total duration of this workout will be 11 minutes. If you're new on this channel, my name is Remy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home or anywhere else that fits. If you're new and you do happen to enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe on this channel so that you don't miss out on future workouts as they pop up. Let's get right into our workout. Spread. Okay, let's start with hip circles. Change direction. Alright, put the legs together, do small circles with the knees, change direction. So you do two in one direction, then you change. Alright, so first exercise, regular squat. Legs are shoulder width apart and toes slightly facing outward, and when you go down the knees should go in the same line as your feet. So you imagine that you want to sit on something. Beautiful. Kick them loose or shake them loose. Next one, it's a three-way kicks. So you squat, you kick forward, you squat, side kick, squat, backward kick. Okay, and then you go on the other leg. And each time you place the leg down, you make sure it's at least shoulder width apart. Wonderful. Next one, regular squat, but we go down in two. We stop halfway and we stop down. We come up, we stop halfway, and we go all the way up. Let's go. Quality over quantity, meaning don't compromise the shape. Beautiful. Loosen the legs. Right now they are burning already. Next one we do, open the legs wider than the shoulder width apart, and then you sit. When you sit, the knee go outward, so it's a bit sumo squat. Keep your back straight. and go as low as you can. If this is how low you can go, just do that. Make sure that the back stays straight. Beautiful. Final one, we go down, we pulse it, and then we come up. Pulse it, we do 2 movements. 1, 2, and then up. Let's go. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. Beautiful. Now we're going to attack the calves. So legs, shoulder width, hip width apart, and toes facing forward. We're going to be standing on the tip of our toes. All right. Next one. Also, we are still on the calves. You go up. You count 1, 2, and then you go down slowly. Up. 1, 2. Go down slowly. Let's go. 1, 2. Down slowly. 1, 2. Down slowly. 1, 2. Down slowly. One more round for the calves. We're just missing a little bit to make them feel the tingly. One more round for the calves and then let's go. Hold it 1 second up, then you go down slowly. All right, one more round. We are going to regular squats. Legs shoulder width apart, toes slightly facing outward. Let's finish strong, and then we finish with the quadriceps stretch. Let's go. Wonderful. So take the wall if you don't have good balance, then bring the leg like this and pull for 20 seconds. Let's go. So at halfway we stop and then we go on the other leg. Okay. Beautiful. Let's do side to side and front to back, side to side, back to front. Hold it, try to look behind. Beautiful, guys. Power pose and hands in the air. Every workout is a victory, and we did it together, guys. Let's go. See you in the next workout.